Hello and welcome to another great day in Mexico. I'm on my way to Isla Mujeres, an island just outside of Cancun in the Yucatan Peninsula. So if you want to go to Isla Mujeres, there are, as far as I know, 4 different ways to get there, 4 different harbors. So now I am gonna find out where the boat goes from. I'm here right now in the middle of Cancun. Alright, I'm on my way back to the bus station because I asked somebody over there and they said that all the buses go to the harbor, so I'm just gonna hop on one of the buses and find my way to the ferry. I took the bus to Playa Tortugas, which is where the ferry terminal is located. It takes about 10 minutes from the hotel zone. Hello everybody and welcome to Tortugas. This is where the boat goes from and I'm really excited. It's a little bit cloudy today, but I'm hoping for some better weather once I get to the island. Cancun and Isla Mujeres are 2 of the most eastern points of Mexico, located only 300 kilometers from the west part of Cuba. Okay, so apparently they have boats that go all day to the island, and it's really easy to get to Isla Mujeres here from Cancun. I'm really excited to go, and the sun is starting to come out, so even better.
Conocer la isla por la bahía, por el mar, es todavía más bonito, amigos.
Alright, I am on my way out to the boat. Really excited. The boat ride out to the island will cost 260 Mexican pesos, which is about $14 US. I'm here on the boat in the front. It's gonna take about 20 minutes to get to the island, but you can see over there. Isla Mujeres is a Mexican island in the Caribbean Sea, located 13 kilometers off the coast from Cancun. It's a vacation destination known for beaches, rocky areas, and good snorkeling spots. Alright, I just got off the boat here and I got a ticket for a snorkeling trip. 3 stops, and I'm gonna see the underwater statues and some sort of underwater cave, and I'm also gonna get some lunch. I thought it was a pretty good deal. I paid 650 pesos. Cancun and Isla Mujeres are 2 very popular vacation destinations. In the north part of the island you have Playa Norte, which is the most famous beach. There are mostly golf carts here actually on the island, which is pretty good. Electric golf carts. I was on my way out on a snorkeling trip together with a group of other people. We got onto a boat and started heading out to the ocean. So there's a shipwreck right here and we're gonna swim past it. Usually I don't go on guided trips since I like to go on my own, but I wanted to see the underwater statues that you will see later in this video. They are very far out from land, so you need a boat to go there. I had been to Cancun earlier, but the snorkeling there was not nearly as nice as here on Isla Mujeres. We continued to the famous MUSA Underwater Museum that has 400 statues, but I was very disappointed because you had to have a life vest on the whole time. The guides said that there were police boats checking so that everyone would wear a life vest. The statues are about 12 meters down from the surface, which makes it totally worthless to see unless you go on an actual scuba diving trip to the bottom. I wanted to swim down, but it was impossible when you had a life vest on. We're back. Now we're here in some kind of Mexican restaurant. They took us here on the boat and we're gonna get some food. It's included in the price that we paid. The storm came really quickly and and we are stuck here now. The weather in Isla Mujeres is usually perfect between November and May, but we were very unlucky. The rainstorm had come in. Alright, we're gonna take a taxi back instead because we can't go on the boat. Too much rain and thunder. What do you have to say about your trip?
I had a great time. I did snorkeling, it was great. I ate some good fish. I met Ken, he's really hot, great body, really nice guy.
We came back to town, and in just 2 hours, some streets were already flooded. The evening was coming closer, and it was time to try some typical Mexican food. I met some new friends in the hostel that we're staying in from Germany and Finland and Chile. And we are gonna go and have some Mexican food at a restaurant. I had ordered 3 Mexican tacos. They tasted really good, but I ended up not being very full. You will pay about 100 or 200 pesos for a meal, which is around 5 to 10 US dollars. The next day, I was on a bus going down to the very south part of the island to see what that side looked like. I had learned that in the south part of the island you have some really nice cliff formations, and in the north part of the island you have the beaches. Hello, I'm here at the ferry terminal in Isla Mujeres, and I'm going back to Playa Tortuga in Cancun, and then I'm gonna go for a trip up to some other place. I had a really great time on the island, but I wish I would have stayed one more day to hang out a bit more on the beaches and do some more snorkeling. It's a beautiful day, nobody's on the boat, but I had a really good time here on Isla Mujeres. The sun is shining, life is really good. Can't believe it, it's so nice here, the weather is perfect. Now I was on my way out for some new adventures. If you liked this video, please leave it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.